Welcome to Hinkley Point C, Britain's first nuclear power station in 30 years. It'll provide reliable, low-carbon electricity to meet around 10% of Britain's demand. I'm standing on top of the dome of our first reactor building, more than 50 metres above the ground. Wow, the site has changed so much since our last tour. Just over there, our second identical unit, with its roof now on. It's catching up fast. Many of Unit 1's amazing structures are nearing completion, and now its fit out is gathering pace. So let's take a look and see what's new. We're inside the first reactor building, where we're installing the steam generators. They're like huge nuclear power kettles, and we've got 4 in each unit. They get their heat from the 500-ton pressure vessel, which was installed last winter, where the nuclear reaction takes place. We're now welding all these big parts together into one system called the primary circuit. All over Unit 1, teams are moving in to install the pipes, cables and equipment that will make everything work. That's a big change from pouring concrete and digging tunnels, so we're making sure everyone is set up to hit the ground running. Let's see where some of that crucial work is happening. Morning, gentlemen. Underneath the power station, there's a warren of rooms and corridors packed with the mechanical, electrical, and ventilation systems that keep everything running. Organising the many different parts needed for this is really complex, but we're making good progress. There are 220,000 supports like these, and as you can see, many are already in place. These electrical switchboards will bring power to the site, and to hundreds of pumps and valves which will control our vital systems. We've begun testing them, ready for the power station to become operational. So what's next? Above us, the build of the turbine hall is finished. Let's go and check it out. This is where the magic happens, where we'll generate the electricity. It's a huge space, longer than a rugby pitch and taller than Nelson's column. Since your last visit, the roof's on and the building is watertight. And we're well progressed with installing the Arabelle turbine and generator. Let's head to Unit 1's pump house. This is the biggest building on site, linked to 8 kilometres of tunnels where we get our cooling water. By the end of this year, Civil's work on this building will be complete. The pump house is our connection to the Bristol Channel, where our fish protection systems come into play. Did you know Hinkley Point C has more fish protection measures than any other power station in the world? We're busy testing these this summer. Let's move on. This is the second reactor building, or Unit 2. This was stopped during the pandemic, but now it's catching up fast. This summer, we installed the dome on time, making it weathertight and ready for fit out. Thanks to experience from Unit 1, it's 20 to 30% faster to build. Fewer people have got more done. More steelwork and equipment is already inside than at the same time on Unit 1. 60% of the steel rebar structures on Unit 2 are being prefabricated, and now we're building and installing complete precast rooms. Incredible innovation. And that's why we call it a large modular reactor. Let's move on. This is hands down one of my favourite views of the site. You can really see the power station coming to life with its final shape taking form. And it's paving the way for Sizewell C, our identical twin, which has recently got the go-ahead and will join Hinkley Point C in powering a cleaner, more secure future for Britain. Everything we've learned here will benefit them from the start. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. I'll see you again next time.